Okay. Like my office? Well, when you think Maryland, you don't think 1.5 feet of snow. And people having to shovel their own asses out of their parking spot. It's great. Oh, there's my car. You see it? Yeah, I ain't going anywhere for about 24 hours. There's actually currently a driving ban going on, which I'm not surprised. I've actually seen Dodge Ram 3500s go up and down the boulevard, plowing the damn thing. It's pretty cool. I also found out I'm not the only one videotaping this crap. Some people from the trailer park way back there come out and taping each other playing in the snow. Yep, driving ban. Maybe I'll go outside and actually do something. Oh yeah, there's this guy. You can see him way down there. He's about in the middle of the screen right now. He was stuck in the middle of the road. Apparently his car just quit on him. That must have blew. Wait, is that guy gonna... What the hell he's doing? He just came from the trailer park, so he's probably gonna steal his rims. I don't know. I've been doing a whole lot of nothing. Got nothing done today. It's been great. Sarcasm. I've actually been thinking about retuning my guitar to CGC. Wait, I forget what tuning, but that's the same tuning as the Tea Party board. Hey, more people. That would suck for kids. Can't even play in the snow. They don't even have any snow pants. Oh yeah, and right now there is about what my grandma said, about 1 inch of snow in New York. This is Maryland. Central Maryland, I think. Oh. Snow piles higher than my car. Never would have thought. Okay, I'm hungry. Bye.